Hello! Today I will show you how to install in a fast way Icon2 controller in a few simple steps. Few tips you should know. These knobs should be taken out of the actuators not to be present. These are only for transportation. Actuators has to be connected. Thermostats either wireless or wireless also has to be connected. With Icon2 system you can use on-wall wired room thermostats. You can use also in-wall wired room thermostats. The all thermostats can be in one system, wireless and wired. And to program thermostat to actuator, procedure is the same. So let's start. What we do, we push and hold arrow for 3 seconds, like this, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Controller checks how many actuators we have connected. So as we see, there are 6 LEDs lighting. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actuators. So it matches. It means everything is okay. In case you would see somewhere LED is off, this would mean actuator is not connected or actuator is not maybe simply working, so you need to replace or to check connection. What I do next, I choose which actuators I need to connect. So let's say I am choosing output 1 with arrow and I confirm with OK. And confirm with OK. And now it is lighting not so bright. And then I push thermostat to activate. Thermostat activates and finds the controller. I confirm, and this one is connected now to output 1. Let's say I want to connect output 2 and 3 to a second thermostat. Okay, I push arrow, confirm with OK, then I push arrow again, output 3, confirm with also OK, and then I activate room thermostat. Confirm with arrow. OK. So output 2 and 3 is now connected to thermostat number 2. Output 4. Check output 4, confirm with OK, and activate thermostat. Confirm. And there is left output 5 and output 6. So I choose output 5, OK, choose output 6, OK, and activate room thermostat. So that's all. Controller is programmed and ready to use. So user now can increase temperature to a higher level, for example, to, let's say, 26 degrees, confirm. And then I would see output 2 and output 3 is on. I see here thermostat is calling for a heating. Here it shows moisture. And output 2 and 3 now is powering up. And those 2 actuators will come up and the heat will be transferred to your floor. So for more advanced setup of the system, for example, choosing cooling application, choosing relays output, you need to connect it either with wired connection to your phone or via Bluetooth with your Icon2 app for installation. So, but for kind of basic installation, this is fully enough and a fast way to start your heating automatic to work. So thanks for watching. See you.